In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude a word from eBay search results. Whether you're a frequent online shopper or just looking for that specific item, understanding how to tailor your eBay searches can be incredibly useful. Sometimes we search for something but keep seeing irrelevant results. Maybe they're consistently cluttered with items from a brand or category we're not interested in at the moment. This quick technique can help you refine your search results, ensuring that you only see what is truly relevant to your needs. Let's get started by heading over to the eBay homepage. You'll notice a prominent search bar at the top of the page, your gateway to finding just about anything imaginable. Start by typing in a few keywords related to the items you're looking for. For example, you could enter Michael shirt if you're searching for a shirt with that particular name. Now, perhaps you've been finding tons of results for Michael Jordan shirts, which aren't exactly what you're looking for this time. Here's where the magic happens. To exclude a specific word from your search or results, add a minus sign directly in front of the word you want to filter out. Make sure there is a space before this minus sign so it works correctly. Going back to our example, you would type Michael shirt - Jordan into the search bar. This tells eBay, show me all the Michael shirts, but keep anything related to Jordan out of the mix. If you want to exclude more than one term, just add a minus sign before each word you want to leave out. It's as simple as repeating the process for each term. Once your search text looks right, hit enter on your keyboard or click the search button next to the bar. eBay will process your request and present a set of filtered results, removing the unwanted keywords. And there you have it, a clear, concentrated list of search results that better match what you're actually interested in. This approach streamlines your online shopping experience, keeping the items you want in sight without the distraction of irrelevant entries. Remember, a little fine-tuning goes a long way in making your digital shopping trips much more enjoyable and efficient. Happy shopping!